These 5 back-to-school digital products are already blowing up on Etsy. And I'm showing you all 5 of these bestsellers before Everbee even has the data because they are so new. And that is not a downside. That means there is little to no competition yet, but people are already searching and buying. If you list this week, you're ahead of the crowd. And here's the part I am most excited about. You already have one of these Canva templates ready for you. It's sitting inside the Sales Sprint right now, so you can go list it right after this video. And hey, I'm Lucretia. I'm a top 2% Etsy seller and a homeschooling stay-at-home mom. This channel is for anyone who wants to make money selling digital products on Etsy while their kids are sleeping. No Etsy ads, no twerking on TikTok, just a simple shop that makes money while you're living your life. So let's get into product number 1, classroom banners. Now there are 2 directions you could take this product idea. The first is a welcome back banner, which is what the teacher hangs up at the beginning of the school year. If we look at this example, we can see it's already in demand. It says 20 people bought this in the last 24 hours. It already has the bestseller badge, and it's only been live for 1 month. The second direction is bigger. Instead of just making one type of banner, this seller made a 20-pack of holiday door banners covering back to school, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and all the way through summer. So with one purchase, a teacher gets their entire school year of door decor handled. They are not buying a banner in August and having to return again in October for a Halloween themed banner. They buy one time and they are covered from the beginning of the school year all the way until summer. That is a much higher valued product, and it's already sitting in 20+ carts, brand new. Now let's talk about something that stops a lot of shops before they even get started. Keywords. I see people spend days agonizing over the perfect keywords to use. They're trying to find the perfect mix between high search volume and low competition. But it is not 2018. Etsy's AI algorithm is very smart, and it is reading more than just your tags. It's actually looking at your listing photos to understand what your product is. We can see this listing has keywords with very low keyword scores, and it still has the bestseller badge. So stop obsessing over your keywords and start obsessing over your listing photos, because that is what's going to get you the sale. And I'm not saying to completely ignore your keywords. I'm just saying your priority should be your listing photos. And this seller's listing photos are a great example. Look at the holiday banner listing. So they don't just show you the design on a white background. They show the banner hanging on a real classroom door in a real hallway. You can see exactly what it looks like the moment you walk up to that door. This photo is worth more than any description because it lets the buyer visualize what this banner will look like on their classroom door. And here's the other thing the seller did really well. A lot of buyers can get intimidated when they have to edit something themselves in Canva. So this seller didn't just say editable in Canva and leave it at that. They showed it. Arrows pointing at the screen, resize if needed, change fonts and colors, customize your wording, customize the graphics. By the time you scroll through those photos, editing doesn't feel so overwhelming anymore. It starts to feel like something anyone can do in 5 minutes. So they are not just showing the product. They are removing the hesitation that would have stopped someone from clicking and buying. And to give you a head start, I've had my graphic designer create you 5 horizontal banners and 5 vertical banners. They're already sitting inside the Sales Sprint, ready for you to make your listing photos so you can get them listed today. The link to grab the templates and get the exact step-by-step process to actually make sales with the templates is all in the link in the description below. Now let's move on to product number 2, back to school PNGs. And here's why this one is worth your attention. One of these designs grew 200% in sales just last month. That shows that this is a trending product that is gaining momentum. Now, a PNG is just one file, but that one file can become a shirt, a tumbler, a sticker, a sublimation design, anything a buyer wants to put it on. So this is a product where a little design work goes a long way. Now let's start with option 1, teacher shirts. This is where I want to show you something important. There is not just one way to win here. Let me show you how many different angles are already working. There's the trendy, shareable route that includes cute quotes. And we can see this one grew 200% in sales last month, and Everbee estimates that it's already had almost 600 sales. Then we have the faith-based route. So this Bible quote design is already in 20 plus carts. Then there's the funny, trendy route, like this goose design that has 579 favorites and 71 sales in 1 month. We also have the subject-specific route, like this design just for math teachers. And then there's the grade level route, which does great every single school year, where you have this striped apple design, which comes in a version for every grade. So you can play around with this, creating all types of designs for each grade level. So if you are worried that teacher shirts are too crowded, don't be. It's only crowded when you are copying exactly what's already selling. That's why in phase 1 of the sales sprint, I show you how to find best-selling products and make them different so you can win the click and get the sale. Then we have option 2, personalized mascot designs. Now this is a step up from basic PNG designs because the customer is going to tell you their school name and their mascot name, and then they are going to get a personalized design back. Now we can see this listing is sitting at a 23% conversion rate, which is crazy high, and it's already in 20 plus carts. Personalization does something a simple design just can't. It makes the buyer feel like they're getting something made just for them, even though you are using the same template for every customer. Now this option is more time intensive since you have to customize each order, but it can help you make more sales quickly. So don't do this option if you are not ready to personalize 100 plus orders if this listing blows up for you. And then we have option 3, which is an alphabet and numbers bundle. Now this one isn't just one design, it's an entire library. They include over 20 styles of letters and numbers that buyers can mix and match to create whatever craft project they want. And look at how this seller handles the biggest fear a buyer has with this type of product, which is feeling overwhelmed. They added a how it works walkthrough right in the listing photos. So purchase, download, browse the folders, done. They even show a sample result. So it's a shirt with the custom name spelled out using the letters. That's the same trick from the banners. They are not just telling you it's easy, they're showing you exactly what you'll end up with. And so many people ask me, how do you list a bundle like this on Etsy in a way that's easy for the customer to access? You can find that tutorial in phase 4 of the sales sprint. I walk you through the entire process so you are not overwhelmed or confused. Next up, we have product number 3, bulletin board kits. This listing is sitting at 2,157 views and 209 favorites in just 2 months, and it's already in 20 plus carts. A bulletin board kit solves a problem worksheets and shirts don't. It's not something a teacher wears or hands out. It's something they have to create by hand before the school year starts. So if you can hand them cohesive design elements so they are not staring at a blank board, that is real time saved, and they appreciate that. Let's start with the basics. A welcome back kit that has everything a teacher needs to fill that board from day one. Look at what's actually included here. Borders that mix and match, so no two teachers' boards look the same. We have editable name tags, so a teacher can drop in their students' names. We have multiple header options, so we have silly geese, welcome here, birds of a feather, learn together, quack, quack, welcome back. Buyers can pick the phrases that match their classroom personality. And then you can take this design a bit further with a themed option, and we can see this seller here went with weather. So this listing has 2,509 views and 273 favorites. It's 3 months old, has the bestseller badge, and is sitting in 20 plus carts. And here's what makes this one worth more than a one-time board. It's not just decorative, it's interactive. It has 2 weather spinners the class turns each morning, a printable weather TV with scene cards you swap out. It has seasonal windows that change from spring to summer to fall to winter. There's a dress up goose with outfits for every kind of weather. So we have rain gear, snow gear, sunshine gear. So instead of a teacher creating this once and taking it down in September, they're using it all year long, spinning the wheel, changing the scene, dressing up the goose for today's weather. That's the difference between a bulletin board and a classroom routine. And notice what this seller did with the listing photos. They didn't just show the finished board once. They showed every piece. The spinners, the TV, the windows, the wardrobe, so a buyer can see everything they're getting before they even have access to the file. And here's something else I want you to notice. One of these listings is 2 months old, the other is 3 months old. That means these sellers weren't scrambling to get a back to school listing up right before the season hit. They were already ahead. And that's the exact strategy I want you to take from this video. While everyone else is rushing to list back to school products this week, hoping to catch the tail end of the seasonal spike, these sellers are already done. They've likely moved on to creating Halloween listings, then Thanksgiving, then Christmas, then New Year's. Each season gets its own head start and not just a last-minute scramble. If you want fewer stressful weeks chasing a deadline, this is how you do it. You get ahead of the season so you can enjoy the full spike in sales and not just catch the end. Now I'm gonna show you product number 4, back to school worksheets. And this one comes with a shop strategy I want you to steal, not just a product idea. So there are 2 directions here. The first is learning worksheets, like this preschool curriculum bundle. So it's in 20+ carts, 3,642 views, and 184 favorites in 2 months. So there are over 200 pages covering pre-writing, shapes, numbers, letters, and a mixed review section, plus bonus pages and a certificate of completion at the end. So this is a bundle of worksheets a parent can hand their preschooler knowing they have structured learning activities. And then the second direction is educational games like this Brain Gym worksheet pack. Kids trace mazes and paths, they track their score across 4 attempts, and the listing photo shows a kid doing it at a table, and spoiler alert, that kid is an AI image that you could also make. And we can see this listing has 1,898 views, 39 favorites. It's already in 20+ carts in just 1 month. And while it's playful, they are still learning focus, coordination, fine motor skills. All of that is wrapped up as something that feels like a game and not homework. Now here's what I really want you to pay attention to. Look at this seller shop banner. Right at the top, it says buy 3 or more templates and get 50% off with a promo code. Every single listing repeats that same offer. So a buyer comes in for 1 worksheet pack, sees the discount, and now has a reason to grab 2 or more products before they check out. That's how you turn 1 view into 3 sales instead of needing 3 times the traffic to get 3 times the revenue. And here's another thing worth pointing out. This shop has over 11,000 sales in just 1 year. And when you look through their listings, they are not just selling worksheets. They're selling coloring books, project trackers, freelance trackers, car rental dashboards, therapist tools, personal finance templates. All of this is in the same shop. If you've ever felt like you need to pick a niche and stay in your lane, this shop proves that's not true. Buyers aren't scrolling through your shop judging whether it feels cohesive. They see a product that solves their problem and they buy it. You do not need to niche down. Just look at what's already selling and give people more of what they're already buying. And that brings us to product number 5, notebook covers. And this one splits into 2 completely different types of buyers. So let's look at both. On one side, you've got the blank template crowd. This composition book template gives buyers empty Canva frames in 4 different sizes. It's drag and drop ready, so a buyer can pop in their own photo, quote, or design to make it their own. This one grew 300% in sales last month, and it's still picking up momentum. A blank template works because it's not finished. It's a starting point. And starting points sell to anyone who already has a design idea. They just don't want to start from scratch. And then on the other hand, you have the buyer who wants it completely done for them. We can see this seller went with a coquette bow, pink gingham aesthetic, 20 different composition book covers in one bundle. So there's bows, strawberries, bunnies, sprinkles, all fully illustrated and ready to print. This listing is just 1 month old, and Etsy tells us it's had 20+ views in the last 24 hours alone. So the buyer isn't designing anything. She's just picking a cute cover and printing it. Now notice what's different about how she's using the offer here compared to the buy 3 or more discount we saw earlier. On this listing, she's not asking the buyer to go find 2 or more products. She has already built the bundle for them. With the click of 1 button, this seller can make $6.97 instead of $1.99. The buyer doesn't have to think, search, or add anything themselves. The decision has already been made for them. But here's where I'd actually do this differently. If someone lands on a listing for pre-designed girl notebook covers, they've already solved their notebook cover problem. Bundling in more notebook covers, even in a different design style, is asking them to buy a second solution to the problem they've already solved. You would run into this same issue selling invitations. If I've already bought one invitation for my kid's birthday party, I typically don't need 2 more invitations. What I need is the thing that goes with the invitations. Those could be RSVP cards, cake toppers, thank you notes that I can send after the party. That is what actually gets added to the cart. So instead of bundling 3 versions of the same product, I would bundle supporting products. Maybe a matching planner insert, a bookmark, a class schedule template, something that solves the next problem this buyer may have. That is how you actually make more money with fewer views. And this is exactly why niching down doesn't always mean more sales. If your whole shop is notebook covers, you've built a shop full of one-time buyers who may occasionally come back if they need that same problem solved again. You have to think about what your buyer needs next and not just what makes your shop look nice. One more thing worth noticing, look at the keyword data behind this. Canva Frames pulls over 2,600 searches a month with a high keyword score, but Composition Book itself only pulls 342. That tells you buyers aren't just searching for the finished product. A lot of them are searching for the tools to build their own. If you only make the pre-designed version, you are missing that entire search audience. Now, every one of these product ideas came from real listings with real demand and a real strategy you can copy today. And remember, the classroom banner templates I showed you at the beginning of this video are already sitting inside the sales sprint, ready for you to make your listing photos so you can list them today. The link to grab them is in the description. But picking the right product is only half the battle. Once you list it, the next question is always the same. Why is nobody seeing it? Getting more views is its own game. And I made a whole video explaining how to get more views with a brand new Etsy shop. So click this video on your screen and I'll see you over there.